Hey guys, it's your girl Bianca here, and we are about to unbox the latest collection from Haven Court. Let's get into it. Here we go. Here is the box. So with this drop, with Keezy, he kind of like, it's not a like fall winter or a spring summer, anything like that. I believe it's just a drop for him to put out some more like graphic tees and some jorts that are really cool. I was going to get the jorts, but with these legs, okay, I got some really skinny legs, and I was like, okay, the jorts probably won't look that good on me until I hit the weight room, you know, work on legs. But I got a couple other pieces instead, so let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So with Keezy, he always does like such a great job with presentation. I'm opening up this bad boy upside down like a mug. So upside down, but it's totally fine. Let me see, get my little knife. I need me a Haven Court knife, but they're all sold out. So I got my little handy dandy little convenience store special. So let's go ahead. Here we go. So I ended up getting I ended up getting 3 items. So I got the boxer shorts. Let's show those all. Haven Court with the packaging. Boxer shorts, the black bear tee, and then the Haven Court white socks. I needed some white socks, so these came right on time. So let's open up the, oh my goodness guys, so sick. Let's get into the bear tee first. Like I said, Keezy always does such a great job with packaging. Let's open up this bad boy. Go. Oh, that's dope. That's like the little t-shirt insert with all the different like logos on there. Oh my goodness, that's so sick. And the man, it's such good quality. And the lettering is actually glow in the dark, guys. It's glow in the dark. So I went with a size small. I went with a size small. I'm 5'4", probably like 135 pounds. So I'll shoot some b-roll of me wearing it. But it feels so good. This will be my first Haven Court like t-shirt. No, he has like the corner board tees and stuff like that. But I love that he put out a graphic with the California Bear inspiration on this bad boy. Oh man, I can't wait to try this on. So yeah, man, with the graphic, he said that he's like inspired by, of course, like Bape with their logos and stuff like that, but you have like UCLA, the California flag is where that that logo is inspired by, which is super cool. So let's get into the boxer shorts. Dang, I needed me some new shorts to work out in. So there we go. Then we have like, you know, the little hang down tag. So see, we got a little screen printed Haven Court right there on the pocket. I'll show some b-roll of me wearing these as well. Got the little Haven Court private stock tag on that bad boy. Yeah man, here we go. Went with a size medium on these. I'm usually like a size like 32, 33 in the waist. So they recommended a size medium in Discord. If you guys like Haven Court or love Haven Court like I do, make sure that you subscribe to his Patreon and get on the Discord, because Discord is like, I just been on there for maybe about a month now, and it's like been super cool just talking to everybody. And just vibing with people who have similar clothing interests like I do. And then last but not least, we get a whole gang of white socks. I think it's like, yeah, 5 come in with there. So we got the nice whites. And it's giving like that Nike dry fit feel. So sick. And it has Haven Court right here on the toe box. Can't wait to put my little toes in this thing. But yeah, man, super excited. That is what I got from Keezy. I know that he's having another drop. I think he's putting out the gray and blue bear tee on December the 6th, as well as a pre-order on these painter pants that are like super sick. I've been wanting me a pair of Haven Court jeans. I'm definitely going to get some soon. But yeah, man, so I got the bear tee, the boxer shorts, and socks. Make sure that you smash the like button. Is that what they say? To smash the like button. Subscribe to your girl for more like unboxing videos. And if you like high fashion, me and my sister are starting to do high fashion lives where we give our opinions and watch like runway shows. So yeah, man, make sure you also follow Keezy on Instagram and on YouTube. Just go support him. Super cool dude. Great brand. I love just watching his progress as a brand and as a business owner. It's super inspiring. As I have my own brand, TTA, which is Thinking Thoughts Art. So yeah, man, I think that's it for me. Thank you for watching this unboxing video. I love you guys.